We walked 45 kilometers, saw bodies on the way. Indian migrants share tales of betrayal and despair. The promise of a brighter future in the United States turned into a nightmare for 104 Indian migrants who were deported in Marseille on Wednesday as part of former US President Donald Trump's intensified crackdown on illegal immigration. Their journey, riddled with deceit, danger, and death, exposes the grim reality behind the human trafficking networks exploiting the desperate. A US military aircraft, the C-17 Globemaster, landed in Amritsar carrying the deportees, many from Punjab, Haryana, and Gujarat, who had spent months traversing continents via the treacherous donkey route. The harrowing odyssey saw them walk for days without food, endure life-threatening sea voyages, and witnesses fellow travelers perish along the way. I saw someone die in the jungle, the grim reality of the donkey route. Jaspal Singh, a 36-year-old from Hardodwal village in Punjab, was among the deportees. He had paid 30 lakh rupees to a travel agent, believing he would reach the US legally. Instead, he was smuggled through a network spanning South America. I spent 6 months in Brazil thinking I would fly to the US, but my agent forced me to cross the border illegally. I was arrested by the US Border Patrol after crossing into Texas. They detained me for 11 days before deporting me. We didn't even know we were being sent back to India until we boarded the plane, Jaspal recalled. Like Jaspal, Harvinder Singh from Hoshiarpur had spent an even larger sum, 42 lakh rupees, only to be deceived. His ordeal spanned multiple countries. I was taken from India to Qatar, then Brazil, Peru, Colombia, and Panama. In the Panama jungle, I saw a man die in front of me. There was no help. We just kept walking. Those who collapsed were left behind. In Mexico, we were put on a boat that nearly capsized. One man drowned. Sukhpal Singh, another deportee, described his horrifying trek through the jungle. We walked 45 kilometers. If someone slipped, they were gone. There were dead bodies along the way. Handcuffed and shackled, the final flight home. The deportees claimed their treatment by US authorities was humiliating. They were allegedly handcuffed and shackled for the entire flight, only unchained upon landing at Amritsar airport. We were treated like a criminal, said Jaspal. For many, the deportation has left them not just humiliated but financially devastated. Families back home had taken massive loans to finance their journey. Now they face the burden of repaying debts with no hope of an overseas future. The shadowy business of human trafficking. The donkey route, a complex human smuggling network, is thriving due to the desperation of many Indians seeking a better life abroad. Agents promise legal passage but instead lead migrants through perilous terrain. The cost anywhere between 30 to 50 lakh rupees, leaving families in crippling debt. Harvinder Singh's wife Kuljinder Kaur broke down as she spoke about their plight. We sold everything to pay the agent, now we are left with nothing. Despite the horror stories, the lure of the American dream remains strong. Many young men from Punjab, Haryana, and Gujarat still aspire to leave for the US. I don't blame any. My husband, said Harvinder's wife, he just wanted a better future for us. However, the message from these deportees is clear. Don't take the donkey route, it's not worth it. Some never make it out alive.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.